In front of me is Xiaomi Mix Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then you need to tap on one of those themes. I like this one the best. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and hit apply. If you want to customize it instead, tap on the same icon of a color palette, and this time use +1 under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your new keyboard background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and when you're ready, select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!